I think when you get older, you try to slow life down a little bit. So I think slowing it down a little bit when everything's always the same, perfect degree, 70 degrees all the time, living by the coast. Here, it can get freezing. It can be 100 degrees, and so you have more variance. You can see the colors change and all those things. But I think in general, where we live here is amazing because you're still very close to a tech epicenter of the world, but still get to a different lifestyle here, which is really nice. More community, to know your people, your neighbors. It's a little different. I think as you get older, you slowly dial things in a little bit, figure out what makes you happy, and we're happy. So there we are.
This is main thing. Like you're chasing for your whole life to be happy.